Changed the oil on the Hyundai, the Supercar. Things you're gonna need. A box. More protection from the diarrhea. One of those circle thingies. Yeah, the clean diarrhea. I don't know if you guys ever seen this on supercars before, but that is from going way too fast. Paint just rips right off. I mean, look at that. That's top speed right there. Alright, now skip a lot of unnecessary boring bullshit. To get it bored. That bored. Alright, now we got that disgusting green sheet from 1988 and that bleach towel. That should help a little bit if I spill. And we're going to try to put some of it back in this. We got to change the wife oil in a little bit. Now let's try to do this. So that way. Nope. That didn't work. But we got it on a towel, so that's good. That's why I have the towels there. Let's try round two. No spillies. It doesn't pour very well out of this, but it's doing what it's got to do. It's a big deal. So I got the towels down. The old 1988 sheet. Looking good, looking good. Ooh, a little too heavy on that pour. Alright, now for comparing oil to beer, you want your beer or your oil to look a little more like Bud Light. If it looks like Bud Light, your oil's good. But if your oil looks like Yingling Black and Tan, it's time to change it, bub. It's time to change it. And if you got some of this, time to drink it. Pour it in your favorite glass, my Samuel Adams Cheers to Cincinnati glass. Absolutely love it. And maybe they'll sponsor me. So cheers to Cincinnati and oil changes to the Hyundai Sonata and car lovers all over the world. Stay tuned for pro tips. It's all done. The oil changes have been had, and the Hyundai is running like a dream right now. Maybe future plans of fixing a Hyundai Sonata up, which is just a Hyundai Sonata. I just like to make goofy names for it. But I've been watching a lot of videos of people buying salvage cars and fixing them up. I'm like, shit, why not just fix my piece of shit salvage? It's not a salvage car, but it could be. And I can treat it like one and fix it up, make it nice. Maybe do some turbo, make it fast family sedan. Why not? Anyways, if you think I should do some stuff to the Sonata, I mean, nobody fixes Sonatas up, so why not? Why not do it? And if you think I should, and you're interested in that, click that like button, smash that subscribe button, slap your mom in the face and tell her I love her. I'm out, y'all. Kales.